Yes, start now.
Yes, sir. So he and his friend were coming from school on bicycle.
Okay.
His friend
Hmm.
fell from the bicycle and got his hand fractured.
Okay.
He
Hmm.
Sir, sir, tie his hand with shoulder, take him to the hospital by cycle and call his parents.
Okay. Ajay, yours response.
sir tied his hand by tie.
Hmm.
The stopped passerby vehicle,
Hmm.
went hospital and got him plastered.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, one thing.
Hmm.
Sir, should we, sir, here, can we carry that person on bicycle if his hand is fractured?
Yeah, it's okay because his hand is fractured, no? Otherwise, there is no problem at all. So you can carry that person. Yes, so first of all, what you have to do, for example, if there is a scale, okay, just
Yes,
then
sir.
tie the scale tightly on the hand of the person,
Yes, sir.
so that the bone shouldn't be okay twisted. Okay,
Yes, sir.
with the help of tie or whatever. And after that, take that person
Yes,
to the
sir.
hospital and get him plastered. Simply.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Sir, TT came to check his ticket,
Hmm.
but he found that his purse containing the ticket
Hmm.
and cash was pickpocketed.
Okay. Hmm.
Sir, show image of his ticket on cell phone,
Hmm.
continue journey and launch FIR after reaching destination.
Yes. Ajay, yours.
Sir showed his identity card to TT, explaining everything to him,
Hmm.
and filed FIR on deboarding.
Yeah. ठीक है. Good. Next one.
Sir, one thing more. Sir, every time when our purse is lost,
Hmm.
in general, sir,
Hmm.
if my purse is lost, sir, I'll never file an FIR.
Hmm.
If I am having some cash in it,
Hmm.
or I'll not file an FIR. So, sir, is it right to write always, sir, file
In
an
fact,
FIR on
you know
deboarding?
what happens actually. Generally,
FIR,
generally people take many more things in the purse. Okay, for example, if I talk about myself, then I keep my driving license also. Okay, DL in my wallet, and
Yes, sir.
some more things, some more important. For example, the debit card or the credit cards. Okay,
Yes,
so these are the things which can be misused later. You might have some
Yes, sir.
kind of identity proof that is in that purse. Okay, so it may be taken,
Yes, sir.
it may be misused by somebody else. So that's why it is necessary to launch of FIR. If there is only money in that, if there is only money, then I don't think that there is any benefit of having the FIR. And if it is not a good amount, okay, suppose you are having approximate 1,000 rupees something, then I don't think that there is any need of having such kind of FIR, okay. But main thing is that the documents, if you are having there some important documents,
Yes, sir.
in that case you have to file the FIR.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next one.
Sir,
Although
one thing more.
I have also have some such kind of experiences. For example, I have also lost my wallet 2 or 3 times. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but what happened that by chance that time I didn't have that kind of documents in that purse, except that of the debit cards. Okay, so what do? That I just called the bank authorities and I just close that debit card. Okay, and after that I get it reissued new debit card. That's it simply.
Yes.
But if there is any DL or something else, your ID proof, in that case it may be okay dangerous for you also.
Sir, one thing more. Sir, here it is written that TT came to check his ticket, but he found that his purse, which contained the ticket and cash. There were only 2 things, ticket and cash. So, sir, here is it necessary to file an FIR?
Ticket and cash, in that case, I think there is no need to file an FIR if there is a good amount of money. In that case, okay.
Here isn't written that there is a good amount of money.
But more thing is there, na, that if you tell TT that it is so, and if you just launch the FIR there, if you launch the FIR there, then there may be some chance to get it back, because the railway staff, okay, if they just get it and they just deposit it somewhere, and then, okay, by telling you the identity of your purse or the color, etc., although then it can be given to you later if it is possible. if it is found by some railway authority or some kind of like some sweeper or somebody else, although they don't give it back to somebody, even then if some honest persons and he deposited it in the with the RPF, okay, and in that case it can you can get it back.
And sir, in train, should we file complaint to the RPF?
Yeah, it is.
Should we go to the police?
No, I think because if it is lost in the train only, in that case you have to go to the RPF only, because otherwise general police means local police will not not entertain your complaint, no? Because
every time, sir, we are writing. Every time we are writing, we inform the police.
You know what happens actually?
I'm not getting it.
No. I just tell you, there are two kinds of polices. Okay, railway की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो one is GRP, okay, government railway police, and second is that is RPF, railway protection force. So railway protection force it is a central level force, and GRPF it is a government state government level force. Okay, for example, GRPF of Haryana, so they have the particular area, they will not cross Haryana border. Okay, if they cross that border, then even it is basically on the duties. Basically, they are given a duty that you have to take this train up to that area, and after that, the Punjab police will hold up to the other area. So they have a particular, boundaries basically, and they do their work up to that boundary only. It is not so that they can't cross that state, but they can cross the state as well.
Yes, sir.
But they have some particular boundary that they have to go up to that area only, and after that the other police will get it from them.
Yes, sir.
And railway protection force, they are the central level forces, so they have to go throughout India. They may have the duties. So if you suppose you have lost your purse somewhere, whatever, then in that case you have to launch your FIR to the GRPF, not to the RPF.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is on the stations. You may see that the police stations are there on the railway stations. Okay, so they are basically the police stations of GRPF, not of RPF. RPF have their battalions in their barracks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they have the separate battalions. Next one. Hello.
Wait a second.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Next is he was traveling in train, and some people started arguing with one another.
Okay.
He.
Yes, Aman.
Sir, do not disturb that bunch of friends and continue to do it.
Yes, Ajay.
Sir intervened and calmed them down.
Yes, if there is any kind of argumentation going on, yes, Aman. Okay, any kind of argumentation is going on. In that case, whether they're the friends or the unknown people, even then you can intervene and just make them calm. Okay, you may calm them down by whatever. So you can tell the thing to them, whatever knowledge you have about that particular topic, or just if you don't have the knowledge of that topic, then make them calm and ask them to have a healthy discussion on that. Okay. Next.
He was sitting on back seat of bus and listening to music. His friends were sitting in the front of the bus. He saw one person started arguing with his friends.
Yes, Aman.
Sir, go to front, calm down them and sort out the matter.
Yes, Ajay.
Sir, calm the person. Ask friends to come back and enjoy music.
Yeah. Okay. Means both the things are here, na. First of all, you have to calm that person down, and if there is an issue, then resolve that issue and ask your friend to come with you and just be the part of your gathering. Okay. Or the music, whatever you're doing there. Next.
Sir, his friend was in love with a girl, and he came to know that the girl was cheating on his friend. He.
Yes, yes. No,
Ritik, acha.
no.
His friend was in love with a girl,
Hmm.
and he came to know that the girl was cheating on his friend. He.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
Aman.
discuss this with friends and ask him to sort out with him. Sort out with her, with his person.
Okay, Ajay.
So he collected proof of cheating and presented it before his friend.
Okay. Okay. Both the things are okay here, but one more thing can be here that he just meet that girl and make her understand that she is not doing good, and make her realize her mistake, and then after continue with the healthy and honest relation with your friend.
Yeah,
Okay, this may also be happen, no?
Sir, but if I would have been there, sir, I won't have interrupted in their relation, because sir, I can't tell a girl to do anything. Means I'll just sir, I'm telling about myself. Sir. It's my kind of.
I know that it's means you actually everybody has a different mindset. Or
like sir, Aman said that he'll tell his friend that to sort out matter. So sir, it's his kind of personality. But what I honestly thought that if I'll find someone, because I'm more close to my friend and I can't see him getting cheated by anyone.
No, the same thing is that if one more thing is that suppose your friend he's deeply in love with that girl, and then in that case you may just make that girl understand about everything, and if she mistake can be done by anybody. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if suppose if she realizes that thing and she again comes back to your friend, okay,
yes,
with
sir.
wholeheartedly and honestly, in that case I think there is no issue at all.
Yes, sir.
Means first of all you have to try to just resolve the issues, not to not be the instrument of breakup in between somebody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aman, you were saying something.
Yes, sir. Therefore I wrote to ask them to sort out. सर मैंने वो डिसीजन अपने फ्रेंड पे छोड़ दिया कि उसको अब आगे रखनी है या नहीं. सर मेरे को ये था कि मेरे को बस अपने फ्रेंड को बताना है.
देखो वही ना, देखो अभी हम 3 पर्सन से हम बैठे हैं, अभी 3 पर्सन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और तीनों के व्यूज थोड़ा डिफरेंट है ना. अमन ने अपनी फ्रेंड को बताकर अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खत्म कर दी, ठीक है ना. आपने बोला कि नहीं वो पूरी तरह से प्रूफ लेके जाओगे और आप बिल्कुल उसको एकदम से ब्रेकअप वाला हो गया, समझो कि हाँ कि यू विल शो द प्रूफ एंड देन उसके बाद तो ऑटोमेटिकली ब्रेकअप है. ओके. एंड व्हाट इज द थर्ड सिचुएशन जहाँ पर दोनों ही तरफ से देखो, आप खाली बता करके दूसरे बंदे को डायलेमा में छोड़ करके पीछे नहीं हट सकते. नंबर 1 तो ये अमन, ठीक है ना, आपकी बात कर रहा हूँ. अगर आपने सपोज यू हैव टोल्ड योर फ्रेंड अबाउट एवरीथिंग अबाउट पर्टिकुलर गर्ल एंड आफ्टर दैट ही इज इन डायलेमा, ही इज इन क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन दैट टाइम, सो यू कांट लिव हिम लाइक दैट, ठीक है. एंड ऑन द कंट्री अजय, आपने जो आंसर दिया, आई डोंट से कि आपका आंसर गलत है, ये हम सबका अपना अपना माइंडसेट होता है. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपका आंसर गलत है. इट इज अप टू यू दैट व्हाट यू डू, ठीक है. आपने भी क्या किया, प्रूफ इकट्ठा किया और उसको दिया एंड यू बिकम द इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ ब्रेकअप बिटवीन देम, ठीक है. अब थर्ड ऑप्शन मेरी जो व्यूज है वो कुछ अलग है कि ठीक है, मिस्टेक जो है एक इट कैन बी डन बाय एनीबॉडी, ठीक है. लाइफ में हर बंदा भी मिस्टेक कर सकता है, तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग इशू. And but what is to be done, that make that girl understand, okay, and ask her not to repeat it again. And if she wholeheartedly and honestly realizes her mistake and promises not to do it again, then let them continue like that. No need to tell your friend about that. Okay, so these 3 things are there. तो आइडिया सबके अपने अपने हैं. मतलब आई डोंट से कि आपके आइडियाज गलत हैं, सबके अपने अपने आइडियाज है. लेकिन अब देखो जो थर्ड ऑप्शन है उसके अंदर क्या है, उसके अंदर एटलीस्ट जो है, ठीक है, मिस्टेक जो है, इट मे बी योर फ्रेंड इवन ही मे आल्सो डू सम काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक लाइक दिस, है ना. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट विल यू डू? विल यू गो टू दैट गर्ल एंड आस्क हर टू हैव अ ब्रेकअप विद योर फ्रेंड? नो, ही विल नॉट डू इट, है ना. सो बी impartial. Okay, so next one now.
He was parking his new bike when a woman with whom his family had a fight started arguing at him and asked him not to park at that place.
Sir, calm down them and park at another place.
Okay, good. Yes, yours answer, Ajay.
Sir asked her the reason, corrected her arguments and passed the ride.
Excellent.
The next one is, wait a second. The next one is, he has gone to a religious place and he found beggars harassing a young foreigner. He.
Intervene in between, shout out on them, and warn them not to repeat this.
Yes, Ajay.
Sir scolded them badly and complained religious place authority against them.
Okay, next.
Next is, his class teacher used to comment on his classmates and especially girls. He.
सर ये मेरे को अच्छे से समझ नहीं आया, लेकिन मैंने इसका ये लिखा है, help the mates with studies so that teacher could not make comments on them.
Yes, Ajay, your answer.
सर इसका मतलब सर यही है ना कि सर वो लड़कियों के ऊपर कमेंट्स करता था.
या एक बार दोबारा से रिपीट करो एसआरटी.
Sir, his class teacher used to comment on his classmates and especially girls. He. Sir collected the classmates and reported principal against him.
क्या ठीक है. Next.
While he was having tea in a restaurant, some boys came up and started beating him.
Sir, gather the crowd, ask for help, overpower them and hand over to police.
Yes, Ajay, yours.
Sir called staff for help, escaped the place and informed police to check CCTV footage.
ठीक है. Next.
He was entering his lane when he found out that a child was playing inside. And sir, this I couldn't get, sir. He was entering his lane when he found out that a child was playing inside and even the windows were closed. He. Sir, what does this mean, sir?
Once again, just speak once again. He was
entering his lane.
Entering his lane.
When he found out that a child was playing inside.
Playing inside, okay.
And even the windows were closed. Sir,
windows were closed.
Inside what?
Windows were closed. It's over here. It's over here.
Maybe the child is in car.
No. Is it over here? Sir? It's over here. Complete हो गया ये
yes, it is over. Yes, हाँ sir.
Question means complete हो गया यहाँ. He entered his lane. वो अपनी lane में enter होता है. तो lane देखो, there are two things of the lane. One is on the road when you are traveling in your car. Okay, then you are happy in lane. The second lane can be taken as a street as well, because lane means the difference between two parts or two lines is known as a lane. Okay, so अब in that case somebody is there that he entered the lane and saw a child playing. Even the windows of the car are windows are closed. So
very incomplete लिखा है.
Incomplete.
Playing inside. Playing inside dash. Dash I couldn't find. I thought that he's playing in his house and all the.
No, it's not a complete SRT. It's not a complete. Leave it.
But
the next one.
Yeah, sir. But if there would have been written. Yes, sir. I would. Sir, there can be two SRTs made with this. The first one could be he's playing in his home. Like he entered his lane of the street and he saw a baby who was playing in his home and the windows were closed. So sir, in that case he won't do anything क्योंकि सर घर में खिड़कियां बंद होती है, कोई दिक्कत होती नहीं.
Yeah, and he just saw and smiled and went away.
Yes, sir.
And the
second thing is it is a car. Sir, then there can be a problem. So sir, in that,
even then, what kind of problem may be there when the windows are closed?
Sir, I wrote about the car only.
No, if the child is playing in the car and the windows are closed in that condition, what can be the problem there?
बिकॉज
प्रॉब्लम
अगर लॉक्ड है तो फिर अंदर
ये बच्चे हो जाते हैं सर. हाँ.
नहीं, प्रॉब्लम मे बी ओनली व्हेन द कार इज when the windows are opened. Okay, in that case there may be some problem if the children are in the class, and one more thing, if the car is on the road, okay, then it would be locked automatically. That's better to be locked, I think. Even when the children are there in the car, then windows must be closed. And if it is in the street, then even then there is, I think, no harm in that.
सर पता नहीं
Because
क्या
if the car is locked, if the car is locked, the problem is for the outside person only to open it, not from the inside.
Yes.
The person who is inside the car, he or she can open it easily.
But it is written there is a baby inside it, small baby.
Small baby, whether the small baby is there, the small baby in the car is playing, but even the SRD is not complete, I think. I think that there must be some such kind of answers there, because it is not clear there, written there, that what actually they want to have the answer, or what is the SRT in fact.
Yes,
Leave it. Next
yes,
one.
The next is, a function is to be organized in a school. On the last day, the organizer has fallen sick. The principal asks him to take the charge.
Okay.
Took charge, contacted him, took advices and managed function.
Okay, yours, Ajay, answer.
Sir, he took charge, seeked for guidance from previous organizer by phone, and organized function.
Okay, good.
Successfully.
Good. Next.
So, because of the financial difficulties, his parents find it difficult to provide him further education.
Okay.
So started doing part-time job and sponsor his education.
Yes, Aman.
So started
Sorry,
evening
Ajay.
tuitions and paid fees for his course.
Okay, good. Next.
While returning to home after watching cinema at midnight, he found two people quarreling on the way. He
So intervene in between, sort out the matter.
Yes, Ajay.
So calmed them down, asked them the reason for quarreling, resolved issue, and asked them to go home.
No, okay, good. Next.
While on picnic, one of the students suddenly fainted. He
Yes, Aman.
Gave him first aid, took him to the hospital.
Okay.
So
Yes.
took him to the room by stretcher.
A room by stretcher. Okay.
फेंट बेहोश हुआ है.
हाँ, बेहोश हुआ है.
ये साहब बेहोश हुआ ना तो नियर बाय रूम में ले जाएंगे स्ट्रेचर से.
अच्छा.
Yes, Ajay.
या फिर अच्छा ठीक. Okay.
Sir, he took him to shade. Sprinkle water on him.
Yes.
Made him drink fruit juice.
Yes. Or glucose, you may say.
Yes, sir.
Glucose or fruit juice, whatever. Okay.
Yes,
because when somebody is fainted, there may be many reasons. For example, it may be out of heat, okay, on that area, or it may be that the person is not having energy. He has lost the energy.
Yes,
there might be many reasons. The person has not taken breakfast. There might be many reasons behind that. Okay. So in that case, what is to be done? Simply that sprinkle water on that face. First of all, take him to the shade. Sprinkle water on that person, and as soon as he comes to his consciousness, then let him be rest for some. Let him have rest for some, and give him fruit juice or glucose to drink.
Okay.
And after some time, ask that person to eat something light. Okay. Next one.
Sir, next is his friend came to borrow the book she was preparing from for his next exam morning.
We have, I think, done this SRT earlier also. No, it is the same that. And what was our answer that time? That provide him the photostat material or Aman gave for the photocopy. His answer was for the copy, and you told about the case in the picture and sent him through WhatsApp.
Yes,
okay, both answers are right. Any option can be taken. Next one.
he was going for an interview, but the bus broke down on the way.